Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about implicit differentiation. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we can put into e to the power of s, e to the power of y. Next, we need to put first derivative for the both sides. Next, this one we can apply it about the product rule of derivative. So we do first derivative of e to the power of s multiplied by e to the power of y. Later that we do first derivative of e to the power of y multiplied by e to the power of s. Next, we have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have first derivative of a over a. So we can apply the formula in here. And this one, we have first derivative of s plus y over s plus y. This one, we have e to the power of s. This one, we have first derivative of y, e to the power of y. This one, we have number 1 and first derivative of y. Next, first derivative of y over s plus y we put on the left. This one we put on the right. So this one we have 1 over s plus y. Now I will put this one go to the right. Next, first derivative of y. First derivative of y we can do about factorization. Next, we divide both sides by this one. So we have the final answer in here. So the next one, if we put negative in here, so we have negative side in here. So this one, we have e to the power of y, e to the power of s minus this one. We see that this one divided by this one, so we have number 1, and then we have the negative number 1 in here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.